Dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of woodworking project ideas for home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. In the evolving landscape of modern home decor, woodworking has re-emerged as both an artistic discipline and a lifestyle statement. No longer limited to rustic cabins or antique revival, it now shapes sleek urban lofts, minimalist apartments, and eco-conscious homes alike. This transformation is not coincidental. It is the result of a deeper alignment between craftsmanship and sustainability. Woodworking, when approached with intention and respect, becomes one of the few design practices that seamlessly integrates aesthetic appeal, functional excellence, and environmental stewardship. Craftsmanship in woodworking is not just a matter of skill. It is a philosophy, a practice rooted in patience, precision, and purpose. A well-crafted wooden piece carries within it the hours of care, the depth of knowledge, and the subtle decisions made at every step, which grain to highlight, how joints are aligned, how edges are softened or sharpened to suit both form and function. In an age of mass production, true craftsmanship stands out, not because it is louder, but because it is quieter. It whispers a story of hands-on work, of heritage, of human touch. Yet today, craftsmanship is not enough. In the modern context, it must partner with sustainability. Homeowners and designers alike are increasingly aware of the environmental cost of fast furniture, deforestation, and synthetic materials. The question is no longer simply, does this look good? But also, where did it come from? And how is it made? This is where woodworking becomes not only relevant but essential. Wood, as a natural and renewable material, holds immense potential for sustainable design, if sourced responsibly and worked mindfully. The intersection of these two values, craftsmanship and sustainability, produces pieces that are not only beautiful but meaningful. Imagine a dining table handcrafted from reclaimed oak. Its surface bears the marks of time, old nail holes, aged patina, subtle cracks filled with black epoxy. These are not flaws, they are features. They tell the story of the wood's previous life and of the artisan who chose to preserve its character rather than erase it. The table becomes more than furniture. It becomes a bridge between past and present, a witness to continuity and care. In modern home decor, this narrative depth is powerful. Spaces are no longer just visually curated, they're emotionally and ethically curated. A wooden headboard, shaped from a single live-edge slab, does more than complement the bedding. It anchors the room in nature. Its irregularities contrast with the clean lines of modern design, grounding the space and reminding its inhabitants that perfection is not the absence of flaws, but the harmony within them. The sustainable approach to woodworking also challenges our throwaway culture. Mass-produced furniture is often designed for short-term use, made from composites and laminates that don't age well and can't be repaired. In contrast, handcrafted wood furniture is built to last, not just in durability, but in style. The natural aging of wood, its ability to deepen in color and develop a patina over time, gives it a longevity that aligns with both ecological and emotional sustainability. It is not furniture that gets replaced when trends change. It evolves with the people who live with it. This is particularly important in the era of minimalism and intentional living. As people move toward decluttered homes and smaller footprints, every piece of furniture must earn its place. A hand-carved bench, a floating walnut shelf, a solid birch writing desk, each becomes a quiet statement of values. They are not just objects, they are reflections of a lifestyle that prioritizes quality over quantity, presence over pretense, sustainability over consumption. And yet, woodworking in modern decor is not about nostalgia. It is not a retreat into old-fashioned design or rustic sentimentality. On the contrary, the fusion of craftsmanship and sustainability has inspired some of the most innovative and forward-thinking creations. Designers and woodworkers are experimenting with hybrid materials, combining wood with metal, resin, glass, and stone to create pieces that feel fresh and contemporary. Modular shelving made from bamboo and steel. Coffee tables with maple tops and sculpted concrete bases. These are not contradictions, they are conversations between nature and modernity. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Even the use of wood offcuts and waste materials speaks to a new kind of resourcefulness. Makers are building patchwork panels, mosaic-style headboards, and small decor items from what would otherwise be discarded. Every scrap is seen as usable, every cut is optimized. This efficiency doesn't just minimize waste, it maximizes creativity. It invites a new aesthetic, one that embraces imperfection and celebrates the irregular beauty of reclaimed design. For those bringing woodworking into their homes, whether by buying handcrafted pieces or learning the skills themselves, this return to tactile, sustainable creation has a profound effect. There is something grounding about touching a surface that has been shaped by another person's hands. Something comforting about seeing the joinery, knowing how it holds. In a digital age dominated by screens and plastic, wood reconnects us with the elemental. It reminds us of forests, of earth, of the slow process of growth. It makes our spaces feel human again. The act of woodworking itself, planing, sanding, joining, oiling, also carries its own therapeutic quality. For many makers, it becomes a form of meditation, a way of slowing down in a world that pushes for speed. It invites presence and patience. And when the result of that effort becomes a fixture in someone's home, a shelf, a stool, a cradle, it carries that energy forward. The home becomes a vessel not just for living, but for remembering what it means to make something well and wisely. This is perhaps the deepest sustainability of all, a return to consciousness. In choosing woodworking for home decor, we are not just selecting a material, we are choosing a mindset. One that values depth over gloss, process over perfection, and care over convenience. It is a small but powerful act of resistance against the culture of disposability and a quiet affirmation of what really matters in the places we inhabit. In the end, modern woodworking and home decor is more than a trend. It is a timeless approach reimagined for a new era. It shows that beauty need not come at the cost of the planet. That function need not forsake feeling. That our homes can be filled not with objects, but with intentions. Craftsmanship and sustainability, hand in hand, offer a way forward, not just in design, but in the way we live, connect, and create. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked woodworking project ideas for home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.